I am out here in my yard and this is a beautiful maple tree. Now, last year it was covered in that black fungus that looks like poo and it was horrible. It was on everything. But this year it looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and I'm not seeing black spots on all the leaves. Looks very healthy. It's nice. But here's the thing. This tree has one side that has these reddish color leaves. So it seems like there's two different maple trees together. So is there anyone out there who can tell me what this red is and this green? Is that normal? Is it just all the same variety? Or is this two different varieties?